friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you're fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction, the live price changes occur in the XRP Ripple coin in the last 1 hour. So before starting this video, kindly click the subscribe button right now and complete my 2K subscriber. Now let's see what changes occur in the XRP Ripple coin in the last 1 hour. What's the price changes of XRP Ripple coin in the last 1 hour we are seeing in this video. As you can see now, that is the live price result of last 1 hour you're watching now. First of all, we see the chart analysis of XRP Ripple coin. So the chart tells us that the XRP Ripple coin in the last 1 hour they are jumping upward. So it's the best time to buy a XRP Ripple coin and make a good amount of money and make a good profit by XRP Ripple coin. As you can see, currently they are moving upward, as you can see here, like a rocket. Now let's see what changes occur in the XRP Ripple coin in the last 1 hour. The change is also in a positive, as you can see here, positive 0.89% change occur in the XRP Ripple coin in the last 1 hour, and the high price of XRP Ripple coin in the last 1 hour is $0.559579 is the high price of XRP Ripple coin in the last 1 hour. That is the live price prediction, live changes occur in the XRP Ripple coin and the cryptocurrencies market you are watching now on ABS Tech channel. Please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrency markets.